In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on while using and allow in all available pop-ups. Then use this button at the bottom left corner to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To see AI voice recognition, click here, and to disable it, use this X at the top right corner of this section. If you want to delete your recording right away, tap on this pin on the left and hit delete. To end it and save it though, click on the same middle button. Now to play it, click on it, hit allow, and operating using all of those options. You can also click on those dots at the top right corner to operate all of those, or hold your recording on the list and manage all of those options from the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!